What's up, guys? So today's video we are making some slime. So the first thing you will need is some activator, some glue, some lotion, any lotion, a container, some to mix in. I got two things to mix with to stir one of those. And we got food dye, purple food dye. So yeah. So let's get started. Okay, guys. So the first thing you'll need to do, can y'all see? So guys, I'm using my tripod right now. So if y'all see, that's why. So, hold up, guys. I'm gonna take the top off. I don't want to make a lot, so. Next thing, you can add your lotion. But this is almost gone, so that's why I tried to use it. And sorry I haven't been posting, so this is it. Now, which one should we take? I'm gonna take this one. This one. So mix it together. And full coloring is optional. And if y'all want to see my face, full color is optional. Full color is just for it can like be scratchy. I can't get the word right. Scratchy. Now we just add our purple full coloring. And guys, I'm finna get a better camera. I'm actually using my phone right now. I'm actually using my phone right now on my stand, but I'm getting a camera on the weekend. See, it's turning purple. And if you want this color, you can, but I want a little bit more darker. So let's get the color. I got more colors. I just wanted purple because like that's not my favorite color. It's my like second favorite color. Pink my first color. I just don't know why I keep it that way, but it's okay. It's just slime. So if you want this color, you can have this color. I'm just picking the color. So next thing you make. So guys, I am back. So this is how the slime is. It's pretty, right? Now I'm about to speed the process. This is the slime. Focus. I tried to put lotion in it, but instead it didn't work. So it's not an epic fail. It's just it didn't. work, I'll probably make another one. So if you like, comment, and subscribe.
With the bump, shout to be wet, like dope in the pop, beat down the block.